Hi everybody, my name's Paul Murphy and I've got a passion for hats. Hi, I thought I'd do a quick video today on the hats that I've made myself for this Christmas and for this winter. So the first one is this sort of everyday fedora, which I can wear up or down. It just flips. I really like the trim on fedora, so I've trimmed the edge here in a 15mm grosgrain and a 38mm grosgrain around the crown. I've put a diamond shape in the top there, and this is sort of a lightweight sort of 130, 140, 100% rabbit fur felt. It's with a beautiful leather sweatband, and it fits, I think, very nicely. The actual brim is about 7 centimeters. I think the actual crown is about 12 centimeters. So it's quite high for some people, but I quite like that sort of 1940s style hat. In addition to that, for another everyday hat I've got a few leather jackets, these sort of 4-pocket fronted leather jackets with a belt, I used to have for motorcycle jackets. I've also got sleeveless gilet country jackets and things. And I wanted a brown fedora, and I made this one, which is similar in design and look to the Indiana Jones. Not meant to be a purist hat, but certainly for myself, it's just a run around sort of hat that's very comfortable and a nice sort of height to it. This one's about a 150 gram, 100% rabbit fur felt and grosgrain. 38mm grosgrain with a single bow on that one, and it's got a variable brim, so the same in I suppose tribute to the Indiana Jones hat. So getting a little bit more formal now, I thought what would be nice to go with one of my big overcoats, and I've got a big 1940s style overcoat, which is a sort of double-breasted thing, goes down to my shins. It's huge. And this is what I made. It's a beautiful sort of 230 gram rabbit fur felt, and it's been trimmed around the edge with grosgrain. Here I was toying with putting a 50mm grosgrain on, but this accentuates the height of it. It's a 13 centimeter front to the crown and about a 7 centimeter brim depth, and what I think is a very nice double bow on the, you can't see that, can you? Double bow on the crown there. Sorry about the light, it's very dark here in the UK today, being winter time. But anyway, that's a real nice favourite hat of mine at the moment, and so comfortable, really keen on that. This one is for that sort of really fun, again, it's a 250 gram weight Western 100% rabbit fur felt and a 50mm grosgrain with a double bow on the side there, and a centre crease as opposed to a diamond or a teardrop crease. So again, this is just so nice. It's so light, and I just love it. I must pick it up like that, but that I prefer to wear up with the brim up, but with the brim down, it also looks pretty cute. And finally, I've got a nice powder blue sort of sports jacket that I wear with blue trousers, and I thought I'm going to go to a few events, not many, but a few, and I want to look quite good, and also promote my hats. And I've got a hold of a 95% rabbit and a 5% beaver fur felt, and in powder blue, and I've made this with silver trim around the brim and on the crown, that's a 38mm, it's a 15mm, and again a nice double bow there, and it's so soft, even though it's got an 8 centimeter brim, this one, and I think about a 12 centimeter crown, so it's quite big. But by the way, don't do what I've just done and pick it up on there, pick it up by the brim. But to me that looks pretty cool up, and like you go into the opera when it's down, and maybe even pretty sinister, to be honest, but a bit of fun. So I hope you like my lineup of hats for this season, and I look forward to bringing you some new ones soon. So this has all been made by PJ Murphy and Son, our new brand that we're bringing out shortly, and will be part of the range for the coming year. If you've got a passion for hats, keep watching the channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.